Soft baby feet in just 1 to 2 weeks. Restores dry, cracked, and calloused feet. Moisturizes your feet skin, removes aged cuticle and dead cells, leaves feet skin soft and smooth. Best foot peel exfoliator. Unlike other brands, it works. Bella Beauty Foot Peel Mask contains all natural ingredients and botanical extracts that are safe to use on both men and women. 2PACK Foot Peel Mask with proven results. Foot peeling mask is a single, one-time use treatment for both feet. 1 pack equals 2 booties. Fit women's feet up to size 13 and men's size 12. You can share a unique experience with your spouse, a friend, or a loved one. Easy and safe to apply. Just apply and let the exfoliating foot mask gel do its work. No scrubbing, no pain, just nice smooth feet. Better than any foot cream. Cruelty free and vegan. We are confident that our foot peel mask will be the best, most effective foot peeling mask you have ever used to treat dead skin, calluses, and cracked heels, resulting in soft, rejuvenated feet. If, for any reason, you are not satisfied with this foot peel mask, just please contact us directly. Top reviews from the United States. Step-by-step review. I've read all the reviews, yes, all of them, because I was comparing this product to the one on TikTok. These little dudes were much cheaper, around $7 per treatment. I've decided to post a review step by step, from application to end result.